Have to keep wearing our face masks for a little while longer. The CDC extended the federal face masking for 2 more weeks on transit systems. Our Washington, D.C. correspondent Rachel Knapp has reaction tonight.
Whether you're traveling by plane, bus, or train, all passengers will have to continue wearing their face masks. The federal mask mandate has been extended until May 3rd. After about 2 years of having to wear masks on public transit, that mandate was set to end Monday. In a press release, the CDC says they're monitoring the new BA2 COVID subvariant, which now makes up for more than 85% of cases in the U.S. And since early April, there's been an increase in the 7-day moving average of cases in the U.S.
So what they're trying to do is give a little bit more time to assess its potential impact, the rise of the cases have on severe disease, including hospitalizations and deaths, and the healthcare system capacity. And their assessment from a medical standpoint, a data gathering standpoint, is that 2 weeks would give them some additional time to do that.
We caught up with passengers waiting for their train at Washington, D.C.'s Union Station.
I think it's a good idea. There's been reports of upticks in cases, particularly here in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic, so anything to keep people safe or prevent spread of the disease is fine by me.
Most that we spoke with are in favor of the extension.
I think it's a good idea right now, especially with the rise of cases we're seeing and with everyone coming from different directions. I think it's just a good idea to just keep it for a little bit longer.
While others, who didn't want to go on camera, are eager for the mandate on transit systems to end, saying they're frustrated they have to continue wearing masks on planes, trains, and buses, where most other places allow you to not wear a mask.
We've been wearing them for 2 years, so it's not much of a deviation from the norm from the last 2 years, so I'm fine with it.
In Washington, D.C., Rachel Knapp reporting.
And the White House says once the 2-week extension is over, CDC will decide if another extension should be implemented. So there's a chance passengers will have to wear their masks even longer.